Hello, the Euro 2020 tournament started yesterday, and today we have three games. The first game was between Wales and Switzerland. Switzerland scored fast, but Wales equalized, and the game ended 1-1. It was the first draw between those teams. The second game was between Denmark and Finland, and something bad happened in the first half. The player Christian Eriksen, who was also a former player of Tottenham, if you are a fan of Tottenham, then you must know him. He stayed there for 7 years, till since 2013 till 2020, and now he is playing for Inter Milan, though who are the Serie A champions. The ball just came and hit back to him slowly, and he suddenly collapsed. And the referee Anthony Taylor of England, he rightly stopped the game, and rightly so, because every life is important, and they should not take this situation very casually. And they indeed take him to the hospital, and the FIFA says that he is in stable condition now, and I really hope so, and I really pray for him, and hope he will get well soon. Because talking about Tottenham, if you remember their current interim manager, because they sacked Jose Mourinho and they bring back Ryan Mason. If you remember, he was a player of Tottenham itself. He was a player of Tottenham. He was loaned out several times to different clubs, and he finally joined Hull City. In the year January 2017, I guess, I remember it was Gary Cahill of Chelsea. He was playing against Chelsea. He has a head collision with Gary Cahill, Ryan Mason, the current interim manager of Tottenham. His career ended. He retired after 1 year in 2018, I guess. He is still 29 years of age. His career ended. Cristiano Ronaldo is 36 years of age. He is still playing. He is still playing well. Not just playing, but playing very well. And Ryan Mason, he is only 29, and he is retired from last 3 years because of this head injury. And the injury and the collision in football, we should not take it lightly, because player indeed, it is not always faking injury. It is not always about faking injury. Sometimes players really get hurt and they need paramedics and medical attention. And Anthony Taylor did a very right thing first about stopping the game, because it was really necessary that he should get medical treatment. And I really hope that he will be in stable condition, and Denmark will play 2 more games at least. If Denmark are finishing third with a better point, then they can still play in the last 16. I really hope he will get well, and we will see him soon. Hope for a speedy recovery, and best wishes to him. And the third game of tonight between Russia versus Belgium, it has already started, because this game has stopped for a really long time because of the delay. And I hope it will be a great game, but I am not sure that Russia can challenge Belgium, because Belgium has really great players, and Russia, however, upset Spain in the 2018 World Cup. I really hope they can bring something back by then, because they played really well in that game, and I hope this game will be a really classic rather than a boring one. I really hope 1-1 or 2-2 draw. It will also be a nice, and hope to see some goals. So that's all for now. Thank you.